Hi, you're watching EdgeHub. Now let us start the video.
Hi guys, in this session we are going to learn structure of diborane. Before starting this session, let me say you one thing. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click bell icon so that you will be notified for every video. Now let us start the video. Before going to the structure of diborane, let us see the introduction of diborane. What is diborane? Diborane is a chemical compound that consists of boron and hydrogen atoms and has a molecular formula B2H6. This substance is highly unstable at the room temperature with a sweet odor. The compounds consisting of boron and hydrogen atoms are called boranes. Diborane is one of the simplest boron hydrates. Now, let us see the structure of diborane. Let me draw the structure of diborane first and then I will explain it in detail. Diborane is nothing but B2H6. This is the normal structure of diborane. Now let me draw wedge projection of diborane so that you will be understand it very clearly. H and H. This is outside of the paper. Let me indicate it with broken wedge. And towards us, let me indicate it with solid wedge. This is the wedge projection of diborane. Now let us see in detail. The structure of diborane consists of 4 hydrogen atoms in the same plane. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 hydrogen atoms are in paper plane. That means they are in this plane. And this 2H, these 2H, that is these 2 hydrogen atoms are out of the page and into the page. This hydrogen atom is like this and this hydrogen atom in the same way out of the paper. That means inside the paper. This wedge indicates it is out of the paper and this indicates into the paper. These are also called as bridge atoms. Now let us see the hybridization of boron. In this structure, boron hybridization is sp3 hybridized. Let me write electronic configuration of boron. Boron atomic number is 5. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 2p1. So drawing outer electronic configuration, this is like this and this will be excited and it forms 3 equal energy hybrid orbital, and from these 4 hybrid orbitals, out of these 3 hybrid orbitals, these four hybrid orbitals, 3 orbitals have 1 electron each and 1 orbital is empty. These 2 hydrogen atoms are also called as bridge atoms and this bond is known as 3-centered 2-electron bond or banana bond. Let me write it here. Or banana bond. So this is the structure of diborane. I will make another video about properties of diborane. If you want, take a screenshot of it.